Just connecting to the live stream. Just connecting to the live stream. That's one reason why I do that. Sometimes it's messy. Isn't doing what we think it should. Okay, good morning. My name is Judge Person. I do welcome everybody to court this morning. This is the Temple Municipal Court. And if you're online, that means that you're scheduled or should be scheduled for your case to have a hearing today. Before I get started, I'm going to unmute a phone number ending in 636. Let's see. I can't tell if that is Miss T. We don't have a phone number listed for any of them. Yes, you're on the phone right now, 636. What is your name, please?
Kirsten Teague.
Okay, Miss Teague, I will remute you. I just wanted to see who you were. Okay. And I will work you in. You're the sixth person in listing Ashley or J.D. Martin. Okay. All right. So I welcome everybody to the Temple Municipal Court. There are a few things to let you know. I think most of the cases today are cases where we have already conversed. So I'm actually not going to go into a long history of what a first appearance is, because I don't believe anyone here is on the first appearance docket. If someone is, when I get to your file, I'll walk back through those. But most people have heard that set of facts before. So I'm going to start, and I'll just start at the top in the order of appearance. Skylar Toon, let me find you. Hi, Mr. Toon.
Hi, how are you doing today, Your Honor?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Good. Had a long night with the kids.
Okay. Sorry to hear that. Is everyone well? Are you well?
Yeah, everyone. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We did community service. They were due in December. I
Yes,
gave you
ma'am.
an extension to the 11th of January, and I don't think we have those yet. So I'm trying to sort out what to do today. Have you
Yes,
been able
ma'am.
to do some of your hours? Are you finished?
So I'm not. When I called up there and talked to a deputy clerk, they
Yes.
said that you guys had mailed me out information, but I never had received it in the mail. And then I forgot who I spoke to, but they also stated that they never got. I don't know what the term is when you get mail back. I guess that
Turn mail.
Yeah. So, and they said they also never received it.
Right.
And that's been happening quite often with my mail.
Then
So
you
I
need
figured.
to come over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's,
And we have a process for getting you in the building, and it won't take very long.
okay.
But you
Yes.
really need to be in charge of that, because if
Yes,
we
ma'am.
mail it and you don't receive it, we don't get a warrant for our arrest. You get one, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
trying to threaten you.
No.
The duty is on you. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I can extend you again and give you 30 more days. That puts you out to March 1st. And what I'm going to tell you is I would expect you to come over today and pick up your paperwork.
Yes, ma'am. I definitely will.
Okay. Because I don't know what the problem is with your mail carrier, and you need to visit with them
Yes,
about
ma'am.
it. And you can, it helps them if we had return mail, we'd give it to you and you could show them. But it helps them if you know, like, no, this was sent. I know because I talked to a judge, I talked to a staff member, and
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have sent it X times. And Okay, your new due date, this is a simple solution. Your new due date is March 1st, but
Mhm.
I'm going to tell you, I would expect you to come pick your paperwork up today.
Yes, ma'am. The sheets, like
Yes.
okay, got you.
Okay. So just come by the office, you know
Mhm.
where we're located,
Yes, ma'am.
and, prepare to wear a face covering and to call when you get here. And we'll work through a process of getting you in. You won't be here very long. The
Yes,
risk is low,
mhm.
but you need to get started. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll have your paperwork up at the desk within the next 45 minutes. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll remove you from the meeting because
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
all we needed to do is get back on the same page so that you don't get a warrant. Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
So I will move next to Derek Norman. And I think you're marked as seriously, excuse me. Very clever. Is that you, Mr. Norman? You'll have to unmute.
Yes, it is.
Hi there.
Hello.
So, I granted community service at our last hearing, and
Yes.
it was to be due, and you were supposed to come pick up your paperwork, but you didn't come get it.
Yes, ma'am. That day I didn't come. I went to Bell County Indigent Care to fill an application afterwards. And so my time got I was behind time, and I came by the next day, and they said I would have to reappear in court. And so
Yeah, well,
that's why I'm here.
okay, let's do one. So your new due date is March 1st, and I would just tell you, between that time and now, you've had 20 days where you weren't doing something over at county. You just risked a warrant for no really good reason. I'll give you an extension because you showed up today. Okay. But let's get back on track so that you don't wind up with a warrant for your arrest. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Now you're probably going to need more than the month, but I need to see some progress at this point. Considering I gave you something to do and you didn't even pick up the paperwork, I need to check in. So if you're not done, then the day a couple days before if you see you're not going to be finished, you email or get over here and set up a meeting to get an extension.
Will do.
Okay. Just want to be real clear with you what my expectation would be.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I'll remove you from the meeting unless you have any further questions.
No, ma'am. I just come and sign today for the paperwork and for the community service.
And get started.
Okay. Cool.
It's up to you. I'm not going to handhold you on it.
Yes. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. We're going to move to Ashley Moore. Let me find her. Let's see. There you are. Ms. Moore, are you driving?
I'm pulling over.
I'll get back to you. I'll move back to you next. Can't have a hearing with you driving. It's illegal for you to be on the phone. You're breaking the law. Ms. Torres, there you are. Hi, Ms. Torres.
Hello.
So I actually have that we had a deadline in September. I gave you an extension because you were having difficulty getting into DPS. You had an appointment with them January 21st, and now you should have a permit. What I needed was a permit and a copy of your driving class from the driving school. So do we have that?
Yes, ma'am. I have the copy that they gave me yesterday, the day I went.
Sorry, if you shuffle paper and talk with a mask on, I'm not going to hear you.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I got the paper. This is the paper that they gave me.
Yeah, I need that. I need that now.
Okay.
And a copy of your class, right? Did we need that?
For Enrollment.
It was a moot point since she had to take it to go do the test. But
¿Dónde se lo quedaron allá? Oh, yeah, se lo quedaron
just
ayer.
maybe look at the documents.
Is it the little paper that they gave me when I finished the classes, or is it just like?
Well, we gave you a handout back in July for the Bell County School of Driving.
Por eso lo quedaron ayer.
But let me look and see if we have it. We may already have it. Yeah.
Se lo van a mandar con la
It's a DSC. We have that. We have that already.
Okay.
We just need your permit today. Can you bring it up to the court or scan it?
Yes.
Oh, te lo toman. Quiere que se lo copy. Por el mail, por el.
Do I have to go up there and make?
I need it. I need it. I need it September. It's January. I need it today. You actually don't live very far from here.
Pero si estoy en el trabajo, pues todavía.
What is your answer?
Nada más dile que vas a mirar quién te puede ayudar si estoy en el trabajo.
Yes, I'm gonna make another. Can I make another copy of this, or do I have to check?
Okay, if you bring it up here, we will copy it for you.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
I will go up there when I get a ride from.
Yeah, you live on South Third. We are on North Third.
Yes, ma'am.
You can get it here today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we're closer than your grocery store.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just going to put a note that you'll turn it in today. Otherwise, I have to convict you and charge you the almost $300. I think you need to turn that in today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think I've been patient. But you got that on the 21st, and here it is the 26th, and you could have brought it before now. So come turn it into the clerk's desk.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, Ms. Moore. Hi, Ms. Moore.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, we had set you up for a first offender program. You were coming in on the 5th of January to pick up your documents. You didn't come in or show up. So that program went away.
Manager at work, and I got stuck. My other
I can't hear
manager
you.
called in, so I'm a manager where I work, and my other manager called in, so I got stuck at work. I couldn't leave.
Yeah, well, it's 20 days later, and the thing with that particular
Called the next day to see if I could look at the paperwork. and
ma'am,
they
I'm
told me
gonna
I
have
had
to
reach
mute
there.
you if you keep talking over me. I'm gonna give you one warning, and then I'm gonna do that. The thing with that program is that you missed that opportunity, okay? I can set you up for a payment plan. You'd have to come sign for it today.
Okay, can I do community service?
I'm sorry?
Can I do community service?
No, you're not qualified. I can do, you had proposed a $50 a month payment. I can do 30.
But that's still gonna be very hard. I have 4 kids. and
Yeah, I
it's
understand it's gonna be hard. That's why we don't break the law.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
You have two choices, 30 days to pay it in full or a payment plan that you signed for today.
Payment plan is fine, ma'am.
Sorry?
The payment plan is fine, ma'am.
Yeah, so you have to sign for it today. So I'll have your paperwork at the front desk.
Okay, I don't get off until 4 o'clock. What time y'all close?
Well, you're in your car with your kids right now. I think you can swing by and do it today.
For work.
Yeah, if you don't sign it today, you're risking a warrant. I'm not gonna do this again. All right. I've let you know that you have to sign for it today. If you come tomorrow, we'll see what happens. I'm removing you from the meeting. I don't take it. Sorry. It's not going to be something we do. Okay. I hope that I say your name right. Miss Macy, is it Macy or Mace?
Mace.
Mace, okay. Thank you. I'm Judge Person. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I wanted to ask you a couple of questions because this is a default on a payment plan. And I try to
Yes.
talk to you before I do something negative.
Okay.
Are you still with Girling?
Yes. And then I have a second job now.
At Cabbage Patch?
Yes, at Cabbage Patch.
Okay. And maybe you didn't have that before. Is that what?
No.
Okay. We had a low payment plan.
Yeah.
But nothing's been paid since July. So what we'd have to do is sign for a new payment
I've
plan.
been making payments online.
Yeah,
I think
we have some payments.
Oh, you got okay.
Yeah, we've applied the payments that we show have been made.
Okay.
However, it's not on track.
Right.
It's heading to warrant, and I'm trying to get you off of that path and onto that not happening because it's expensive. It's a hassle. Nobody wants that threat. So I don't want that threat either for you.
Okay.
It does look like you could do payments at this point. What I'm trying to do is make it easy to remember. So it looks like the bigger job for you is the Girling job. What day of the week are you paid? What days of the month?
It's bi-monthly. It's the 13th and the 28th.
Which would be the best day for you to come in and do a 30-day payment?
The 28th.
$30 payment.
The 28th. Yes, ma'am.
The 28th. Okay. So I'm going to say always on the 28th, unless it falls on a weekend. And then it'll bounce to the following business day, $30 a month. And can you come sign for that today before close of business?
Yes.
Okay. I'll have a new plan for you out front at the desk. Won't take you more than 5-10 minutes. Come in face covering, sign, we'll make you copies, out you go. They also have information for how to pay online or by phone so that you're not stuck driving up here to do that, okay?
Right.
It sounds like you know already.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any questions, Ms. Mace?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Ms. Teague, I'm going to ask you to unmute. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi.
I can't see you. I don't know what's wrong with the camera.
Yeah, I don't know, but you don't have to see me. It's okay.
Okay.
The best thing for you will be to try to minimize just the background noise.
Yeah, I'm outside, so it's a little windy. Let me take you off completely. Does that help?
It's fine for me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the first time we spoke, you entered a plea and I moved you into a first offender program, and that was January 5th. And you didn't come in and do your documents. So you basically defaulted on that program. I can set up a payment plan, but I don't have any payment information, income information from you. You have not.
I don't have an income.
Sorry?
I do not have an income.
So I still need to document that. I still need to document that. So you'll have to come by, fill out payment information, and you tell me how you're living. It's basically what you do on that form. And then they'll schedule you for another meeting.
So the reason I didn't come to pick up my documents, though, I just wanted to let you know, is that my daughter got sent home from school for throwing up. So we quarantined ourselves for a week and a half.
Right. But you really needed to communicate at that point. And since we take emails, letters, everything, yeah, I don't have an email from you. I don't have what I needed. Not on
I had
that
called
day.
them at 11:50, and I guess everybody had already left. And then I called the next day.
No one left at 11:50. No, we don't leave till 5. We got an email from you 2 days later. So you missed your date. Yeah. So we will reschedule you so that I can get income or lack thereof of information from you. And we'll look at whether we can do community service, okay?
Okay. What time do I need to go to the courthouse today to go
Yes?
get done?
Yeah, you still need to, unless you're in quarantine.
No, we're cleared now.
Okay. All right, we'll see you in a little bit, before noon, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, because I think she's indigent, but I don't believe she's gonna, I think anything that I do, and I'm on open channel and that's fine. If you can't be trusted just to come in and communicate, then how are you gonna follow that whole long community service process? Maybe she can visually connect next time and it'll be easier for her. Jaden Barton did not make it in, so I guess we'll just move forward. I'm gonna end the meeting.